That might have been me. I thought I was in.
It was me. Because I got it with the damage down.
Don't worry about the rest.
Don't mind me. Throats a bit parched.
Yeah, medical space should top us up. I'm gonna pop up.
I can put out because this.
Competence disqualified. Out of the way, tin can.
My word, he just assaulted the referee! The scoundrel!
No more distractions.
Pretty safe. Hair's out.
You should know that I have a short fuse.
4.
Oh, fuck.
Rosé.
Sorry. Okay.
I
What?
can't. Away from C, away from C.
Don't question it. Keep going.
What the fuck?
That was hilarious.
Jump the ship. It's fine, it's fine.
Goodbye,
I'm looking at the wrong side. I thought I went right.
I think I may
Look it up, look it up.
Okay.
The
DPS are
infernal
shorts.
fuse field! How will the challenger respond?
Yes, sure. Bells down, first go.
Going.
I'm waiting.
Yep, go.
Going now. Putting food on me.
Go. Lily. 4th. 5th. Yep. Take a second. Yep.
I'm popping faint.
Popping
Go.
now.
Go.
Go. Actually, it kind of.
You miss it! You miss it! Okay. Oh my no! Too short! I actually
You have
like
to be,
panicked there.
on it. You know, you have to be on it for a good second.
Calm down. Alright, fucking
I'm-
regain consciousness.
I'm stopping Shalom.
We have bots coming up.
No wonder Shalom.
Big hits.
Back, take it.
Raw dog in
Spreads,
it.
I'll run away from you. Yep.
Yeah. Royale could be space to stay in near 4.
Oh, come on, the Bombarian Stessel!
Bell.
Oh, please.
About now. In.
Get close in.
Knockback and spread.
Alright, I'm just gonna sit out in the corner.
Yeah.
Go back in, go back in, go back in. Go.
Oh, getting a million.
Oh, you were. Oh, sorry. My bad.
Fuses.
Deathmatch one.
Stay locked in, we're fine. Yeah, deathmatch one, yeah, stay.
4.
Stay locked in, stay locked in.
I lost a lot of lilies, by the way, just like you know that.
Okay. I'm just...
I'll work around it.
One will be safe. Okay.
I got no thing.
Knockback from Bravo.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
I'm gonna get Helling. I don't have mana.
I got nothing.
Fuck! God! We have heal, Obi.
We're good.
Well, I'll just sit here.
No.
Fuck Christ.
Yeah. Alright.
I wanna hold. I wanna try and hold it for DPS.
Whoa.
Oh fuck.
We'll involve the last one.
Okay.
Sorry, those ones we
This
should
is
be.
the spinny.
Just focus, we can still clear this. We haven't had too many, but...
DPS long. Oh, I guess it can go there.
Rose, have you got yourself?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take this spot and then raise
Perfect. Okay.
the wings.
I have nothing.
It's snapshotted faint,
Alright.
but their tank buster will be rough.
Okay, it's
We're-
just
We're
just
We're gonna
towers.
invul it.
Last one.
We're still on pace. We're still on
Yeah, we're
pace.
Just
Just
play safe.
respect. We have so much time. We still have so much time.
I have all my usual cooldowns here, Rose, so I should be fine. Bells down.
Just don't grieve. Just don't grieve.
Play safe if you need to.
Head to 2. Head to 2.
Ah! Oh my god. What the fuck?
Winnable.
Same, same,
Don't stop,
same.
don't stop, don't
Stay.
stop.
Oh my god, Belle, you're so pretty there.
Just
Stay
involve this
focused.
next one, Rish.
That we got this.
I think it's still
Well,
counts.
just-
Nora, can you rip LB when it's done?
Yes, I will. After this team is coming up properly.
You're invulning?
Anything for the week one, baby.
If you were potting
Anything for the week
it's gonna be a pot in like 10 seconds.
It's fine.
Yeah, might as well.
We
Still
got
the-
this.
We are going to see the big pot.
Oh yeah.
Still have to do the movement, yeah.
I have troop in minute.
I'm just gonna hard peel through this, Rose. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We've got the
Come on,
DPS.
come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Special. Oh, okay.
Special cells.
Get his ass, get his ass.
Focus. 2, 3, 4. Out.
About now.
Kill him!
Kill him.
Yes!
Yes!
Oh, that was so close.
Let's go,
baby!
Yes!
Good job.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because he goes untargetable unlike the first one. That was so close.
Wow.
My pants.
Gerbil's pants.
Let's go, baby. Let's
Nice.
fucking go.
Super nice. Very good.
Good fucking job. I don't even give a
Whew.
fuck that I died. I'm just. It means we're on M4, baby. We're on M4.
Let's go, hell yeah. On
Okay.
that, there's just a lot of tight movement.
Do we want to have? So Gerbil gets pants